IKEA GLIS Box with lid review. The Gliss boxes with lids are probably my favorite storage containers. They are great for markers, crayons, manipulatives, magnets, stickers, game pieces, flashcards, the list goes on and on. Each box has a snapping lid, and they each stack nicely on top of one another. Other than what I mentioned above, I like this because it's cheap. Only $2.39 for a 3-pack. This box is a perfect place to keep pens, pencils, and small accessories. Also can be stacked to save space when stored. IKEA Gliss is made of polypropylene material and can be recycled or used for energy recovery, if available in your community. Thanks for watching our video. I hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below.